Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make banana walnut cake. You have top flour mixed with baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, eggs, salt, vanilla essence, milk, mashed banana, walnut, and of course sugar. And last item is butter. Add sugar to the butter and mix it, as sugar might splash when you are using the mixer to break. So it's best to put some butter on the top. Okay. Start beating the butter and the sugar until it is soft. Stop when the butter is already fluffy. Add eggs, and milk. Add milk, together with one teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it together, then not forgetting your salt. Mix it first before beating to ensure continue beating. Just beat a while, stop. Then you add the mashed banana. Scrape those mixture at the side. Put in the mashed banana. It's good to use those banana that is overripe or very ripe, so the cake would taste sweeter. Continue to beat. Lift up the mixer to add the flour. About 1 to 2 minutes. After beating for 1-2 minutes, stop the mixer. Clean the side of the mixture and put the walnut inside. Leave some for the top garnishing. Mix around. Mix around. Okay, next put it inside a square tin which I have already lined with baking paper, or you call it parchment paper. Put the remaining walnut on top of the cake's mixture. Spread it as evenly as you can. Tap the cake a few times. Okay, you are ready for baking. I have put some damp towel or damp cloth just beside the cake tin. This is to ensure that there's even baking and the side of the cake wouldn't be too dry. Hi guys, this is the finished product.